The glitz and glamour behind Glam Squad. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of beauty and fashion to uncover the meaning of the phrase, Glam Squad. Whether you're flipping through a fashion magazine or scrolling through social media, you might have come across this term. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it. Glam Squad is a compound noun made up of two words, glam and squad. 1. Glam. This is a shortened form of the word glamour. It's often used to describe something or someone that looks attractive or stylish in a special or showy way. 2. Squad. In general terms, a squad is a small group of people having a particular task or sharing a common attribute. When combined, the phrase, Glam Squad, refers to a team of professionals, typically in the beauty and fashion industry, who work together to make someone look their best. This might include makeup artists, hairstylists, fashion stylists, and sometimes even manicurists. You'll usually hear Glam Squad in contexts related to celebrities, events, or photo shoots. Here are some example sentences. 1. Before hitting the red carpet, the actress spent hours with her glam squad to get the perfect look. 2. The pop star always travels with her trusted glam squad to ensure she looks flawless for every performance. 3. If I had a glam squad, getting ready in the morning would be so much easier. From these examples, it's evident that the term is used to describe a group that helps individuals, often celebrities, prepare their appearance for public events or appearances. In the world of celebrities, having a glam squad is often seen as a status symbol. It signifies that the person is influential or successful enough to have a team dedicated to maintaining their appearance. With the rise of social media, even influencers and well-known personalities have begun to showcase their glam squads, highlighting the importance of presentation in today's digital age. So, the next time you see a celebrity looking absolutely flawless at an event or on TV, remember that behind that stunning look, there's likely a dedicated glam squad ensuring every hair is in place and every outfit looks just right. We hope this video has shed some light on this glitzy term. Stay stylish and keep learning.